7 new things to try that won't break the bank. There's a blurred line between fun adventures and overspending. A lot of activities and excursions cost a lot of money. It takes a little bit of creativity to come up with unique things to do that won't damage your wallet. We did some of the dirty work and found a few things that fall into this category. Here are 7 of them. 1. Painting. If you don't already have paintbrushes, paints, and canvases, you may need to spend a little at the craft store, but the cost is marginal, and it's worth it. Painting is a cathartic activity that boosts cognitive function and creative thinking. 2. Picking up a sport. When was the last time you learned a new sport? Better yet, when was the last time you put yourself out there and played a sport? There are plenty of ways to get involved with your community in the sports sphere. Try it out. 3. Puzzles. Puzzle masters will tell you that this is the best hobby of all time, and it's excellent for many reasons. It doesn't mean you have to work on a puzzle 8 hours a day, every day of the week, in order to enjoy it. Instead, you can have it out on display and connect your pieces as you please. 4. Running. If you're looking for new goals to set for yourself, you can't go wrong with running. Plug in your headphones, lace up your shoes, and get out there. Book clubs. When we're not focused on reading, it's easy to forget how enjoyable it is. You may want to consider joining a book club for the inspiration you need to get started on a good book or two. 6. Volunteering. Starting something new for yourself can also mean starting something new for the community. If your inner Good Samaritan is telling you to make a difference, listen to that voice. Volunteering can be fun and incredibly rewarding. 7. Yoga. You don't have to be a yogi to enjoy yoga every once in a while. On the same token, if you're interested in practicing yoga with the experts, that's an option for you also. It's never too late to engage in mindfulness, exercise, and good vibes. This list could go on, and perhaps you came up with a few ideas of your own as you read through these. The point is, you don't have to spend a fortune to experiment with new things in your life. So put that wallet away and get out there.